Hey, I'm here in my hometown of Albuquerque, New Mexico, where I grew up, and mountain biking, one of my favorite mountain bike trails. And to my surprise, as I come over a hill, you can see over my shoulder here, forest slash brush slash cactus fire, probably from somebody being careless. And we know how this goes in Colorado Springs with fires and the devastation they can have. And so one of the things that we do, and we all know this, is we have insurance on our homes in case something catastrophic happens. We can rebuild, and we've seen a lot of people, you probably know people, maybe it's you, a friend that's rebuilt. But here's one of the things that I notice is most people do not have insurance when it comes to their retirement income or their greatest retirement assets, the assets that are supposed to produce income, like their 401ks, their IRAs, their investment accounts. So let me ask you this question. Do you have insurance on your retirement income that if something catastrophic happens, you know that your income's going to be there, you can rebuild, and you'll never run out of money? If you don't, let us help you make sure that you've got that so catastrophe doesn't strike you.